Hi and welcome to this video on multi-sensor assembly for outdoor installations. First, begin by feeding the cable through the rubber grommet and push into the bracket. Then push the cable through the top part of the bracket and then connect the mount to the pole as shown. Attach the bottom part of the camera to the top part of the bracket as shown on screen. And feed the Ethernet cable through the plastic casing and the rubber grommet. Please note that the two unused holes must be sealed. Using the insert tool, remove the nipple from the rubber grommet and pull the Ethernet cable through to connect to the camera. The Ethernet cable can now be connected to the port as shown. Ensure that both the supplied rubber grommets are inserted as shown on screen. Next, assemble the top of the camera with the bracket to the main camera itself. Next, connect the assembled multi-sensor into the bracket pole and tighten the 3 lock screws in the top adapter. Please note to remember to secure the 2 screws on the camera base as shown. And remember to fit the desiccant packs to the pan base. Next, attach the dome with the 6 screws provided. It is important to note that the screws must be tightened in a star-shaped pattern.